alrighty. I never seen the Colorado River quite like this, ever. Oh. This is I never seen anything quite like this.
You know, before 9/11, you used to be able to go down there and fish.
Oh, really?
Down there, yeah.
Oh, I didn't think it was due to 9/11. I thought it was just due to like liability or lawsuits.
9/11.
Oh, I thought because I know 9/11 had something to do with airports, but okay.
See all of these fences?
Yeah.
You used to be able to just drive the ball right down there.
Yeah, right next to an electrical power plant.
Yeah.
I see. That's crazy.
Well, they didn't care. Nobody cared because there wasn't any danger of people blowing stuff up.
Right.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy, though?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Crazy, man.
Yep.
All right, ready to go to dam number 2? You got enough footage?
Yep.